Friends, welcome back to DigiTalk and the session 5 of Docker. In this session, we will learn how we can pull the pre-built images from the different registries. So this is a screenshot of one of the slides from the previous session where we have discussed about the official and custom images, right? And then the process of pulling the images from the official registries. Okay, so now in this video, we will see the execution of that one, how we can pull the pre-built images from the Docker Hub. Along with that, we will see how we can download it from the Oracle official registry as well. So first, we will see how we can download or how we can pull the images from the Docker Hub. Okay, so for that, you have to visit hub.docker.com. Okay, and there you have to create a free account. Okay, once your account is created, you go to your host and then log in to the Docker account with the help of this command, docker login, and then username. Right. So once you are logged in, you can check for the current images in your system. There is no dependency on the login for running this command. Okay, and then you can pull your images from the Docker Hub. Okay, those will be the public images. Okay, so let us see the execution of that one. Okay, for that, let me show you that. So for that, you have to go for the Docker Hub. Okay, and this is the screen where you have to click on the sign up, and then you have to give your some basic details to create a free account. Okay, once your account is created, you can sign up. Okay, and then you can search for the different registries. So my account is already created there, so I'm just searching for the registry. Okay, suppose that we would like to download the Nginix image. Okay, so once you will search, okay, this is the screen there. You can see that this is the Nginix image, right? And if you want to download or you want to pull this Nginix image from the Docker Hub, okay, so what you need to do is you have to log into your host, and then you have to log into the Docker account, and then you have to pull the image with the help of pull command. Okay, let me show you that. So this is my AWS machines. Okay, and let me show you on one of my machine, okay, which is running. So this is my machine and this is my public IP. Let me log into my Linux machine. This is my public IP, and the authentication for my machine is based on my private key. So I will select my private key here, and then I will open my account. Okay, the default user for the AWS EC2 machine is EC2-user, and the authentication will be done with the help of private key. Okay, so now I am at in my machine, okay, where I have my Linux operating system. So the first command that I have to give here to log into my Docker account is sudo docker login -username equal to username, right? So what I will give here is my username along with the Docker command. Let me copy it from here. Okay, and let me paste it here. So I will put it my account name which I have created on the Docker Hub, right? And then I will provide my username. Okay, it will take some time, and then you will see the login succeeded. That means I have now logged into my Docker Hub account, right, from my Linux host machine. So what is the next? You have to pull the image, right, by giving the name of the image. Okay, so let me check if I have some images or not in my local system. For that, I will run this command, which is sudo docker images. So if you have proper access on your Linux ID, then you don't need to provide the sudo. You just run the docker images command. Okay, so here you can see that I have a lot of different images already there. These are listed, but I do not have the that Nginix image, right? So what I need to do is I am just pulling the Nginix image. So what is the name here is Nginix, right? This is. So for that, I have to give command sudo docker pull and the name of image. Okay, so this should be same whatever we have in the Docker Hub registry. So I have Nginix, right? So I have given the name as Nginix. So the command is sudo docker pull and Nginix. Okay, it will show the default tag of that image which is there in the Docker Hub. Okay, and after that you will see that it will take some time to pull the content from there, right? And then you will see that it is all downloaded. Okay, so let me run the docker images command again. Okay, now you will see you have pulled the Nginx image from the Docker. So let us recap what we have done. Pull the image from the Docker Hub. First, you have to visit the hub.docker.com, and there you have to create a free account. After that, you have to log into your Docker account from your Linux machine with the help of sudo docker login command, and then you can pull the image with the help of sudo docker pull image and name. Similarly, if you wanted to pull some multiple images, then you can go and use the same command. For example, sudo docker images. Okay, so we have Nginix and then few more images there. Okay, let us suppose that we would like to download the Apache web server. So for that we have to write sudo and then docker pull, and then the name of Apache web server image is httpd. Okay, which you can see here as well. If you will search for this one, it will show you the image of Apache web server, which is httpd, right? So now we are downloading this image as well, so it is completed. So now if we can check the status with the help of images command, now you can see that we have httpd image is also downloaded. So what we have learned here is how we can download the pre-built image from the Docker Hub. Okay, similarly there are multiple service providers, those are providing the pre-built images. Okay, and you have to log into those particular website, you have to create your own account, and then you can download the images from there as well. Okay, so let me show you how you can download it from the Oracle Container Registry as well. So the URL for that is container-registry.oracle.com. Okay, so you have to log into this particular website. Okay, there you have to create a free account for the Oracle, right? You will get a prompt, and where you can click on the create account, and then you can provide your basic details, and then your account get created. Okay, so once your account is created, you have to log into the website or to the registry, and then you can search for the different images. It is just like we have searched for the images in the Docker Hub. Okay, once you log in there, you search for images, and then after that you will see the product, the corresponding tag of that one, the product home and the corresponding tag. Okay, and then at the below you will see the information as well, how you can download from the that particular registry. So for Docker we have used the Docker login and then hyphen username equal to username, but if you are going to download it from the Oracle container, the option is given there, Docker login, and then you have to give the complete URL of your Docker registry. After that it will prompt you for the username and password, and to pull the content you have to give this complete path. Okay, what we are doing here is we are downloading the Weblogic image. Okay, so this is the path for that one, complete path for the image. Okay, and after that you have a tag. Okay, so there is a tag also associated for with the images, right? And this information you will get here. Okay, and all this tag information you will get on the website. So let me show you that as well. Okay, okay, so let us log in to the Oracle container registry. Okay, you have to visit the container-registry.oracle.com. Okay, once you are there, you have to click on the sign in, and then you can sign up with your basic details, and after that you can log into the Oracle container registry. Okay, so let me log in with my account. Okay, so here you can click on the create account if you do not have a free account of the Oracle, and you can create your account. Okay, so let me log in with my account. Okay, then I will show you how it looks like, how you can search for the different products, and then how you can see for the name of the image, and then the tags, and then how you can see the different commands to pull the content, right? So now you can see my username is there, and suppose that I would like to download or pull the Weblogic image. So we click on enter the Weblogic and search, and here you will see the related products. So click on Weblogic. Right? After that, you will see this agreement button here. If you are logged in first time, okay, you have to sign into the agreement. You have to select the agreement and click on submit. If you will not submit the agreement, then you will not able to pull the images. Your account will be created, okay, but you will not able to pull the image. So make sure first time account, if you have a first time account, then click on the agreement. After that, here you can see the different products. There is corresponding tag. Okay, these are different images of the WebLogic and the corresponding versions tags. Okay, and the information of the last tag. Okay, so how here you can, if you scroll down, then you can see the command how you can log on to the Oracle Docker registry. Okay, let me copy this one, and then okay, so my session is timed out. Okay, let me open the duplicate session of this one. Okay, so I'm there. So is Docker login and the container registry URL. It will prompt you for username and password. So I will give the same username and password, okay, which I have created on the container registry. So my account is digitalk.fmw@gmail.com. Then I will enter my password. Okay, so it is giving the permission denied because I do not have a proper permission to my user. So I have to use the sudo, okay, before giving the docker command. Okay, so this is sudo and the command, right? So now again I will give my username and then the password. Okay, now you can see the login is succeeded. So now you have logged into the Oracle official container registry, right? So now what exactly you need to pull the image from there, right? So pull the image from the official registry of Oracle. The syntax is docker pull and this complete URL. And if you want to download the WebLogic, then slash WebLogic and then colon tag. So this is the main important point here. Okay, so tag you can see here. These are the different versions of the WebLogic. Okay, so whatever the version you would like to download, you have to specify the tag for that one. Suppose that if I want to download the 4110, so let me see what all images I have currently in my system. Sudo docker images. Okay, okay, so I do not have 1411 image, so let me download the 1411 image from the Oracle registry, right? So let me copy the command. This is the command, right? This is the command which I have specified in this particular document as well, right? This is the command. Okay, if I copy it here, okay, and now this is the command, and then at last, instead of a tag, I have to give the tag number here. So let me go back and see the version. Let me see if I would like to download the 14c, Oracle 14c. So I will copy this particular tag, and then instead of a tag, just put it here. Okay, like this. And now let me copy paste this command to the console. Okay, so now what is saying? Permission denied again because as I said, I do not have proper permission to account, so I have to use the sudo for that. Okay, so this is capital. Let me make it small, and then let me copy paste it here. Okay, you will see a message pulling from middleware slash WebLogic. Okay, and this is the status. So based on the size of your software, it will take some time for the pull the image from there. Okay, once the download is complete, you will see the download complete message, and then it will take some time for the processing, right? Apart from that one, if you would like to see more information what exactly we can do after the pulling the images, like how to run the different containers for admin server and manage server, that all those instructions are there, but we will go to that one once we will in that particular session where we will create the different containers. Okay, so now let us see that it is taking some time. Okay, this is the status, how much MB is there and how much is downloaded. right? So now you can see that it is downloaded properly. It is completed, right? And then let us see our image again. Okay, so now here you can see that the size of this is 1.4 GB, and then this image is also downloaded, right? So this is the process how we can download the image from the different registries. And thanks for watching this video.